Welcome to a Qigong routine for beginners. We'll get started with whole body shaking, bouncing up and down, relaxing through the shoulders, hands, wrists, the neck, waking the energy in the body, releasing stress, tension. Now we'll clear the lungs, deep breath in, come up to the balls of the feet. Exhale, drop down on the heels with a ha. Inhale high, exhale, drop. Letting it go, feeling the vibration as you come down on your heels. We'll begin to tap on the kidneys. Kidneys are a key acupressure point, and we'll extend that down the outside of the legs, up the inside, and then back to the kidneys. Waking up the energy meridians in the body. You can do a soft fist or maybe the palm of your hand. Now we'll begin with a flowing breath. Inhale up the center line. Exhale, turn the palms forward. Inhale, palms face heart, bring it back. Exhale, ground it down. Letting the spine gently undulate as you move the breath up and as you move the breath down. Nice, slow, relaxed movement, filling the breath from belly up to ribs and chest. Bringing new energy into the heart and grounding it down. We'll add on to that. Again, exhale, palms face forward. Inhale, palms face your heart. This time, exhale, send the arms out to the sides. Inhale, bring it back to the heart. Exhale, down. Inhale up the center line. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale to the sides. Inhale, bring it back. Exhale down. We'll take a moment to notice how the mind and body feels, checking back in. Now we'll inhale, arms out to the side, halfway. Turn at the waist, inhale all the way up, come back and ground it down. And we'll inhale, palms face up, halfway, turn the rest of the way, inhale all the way up. Turn back, exhale down. Let the inhale be one continuous breath, even as you turn and continue to lift. And then the exhale, nice and slow down. The breath begins in the belly, moves up to the ribs, ends in the chest. Exhale, falls out. Inhale, floating the arms up, turning from your center, lifting all the way. Exhale, grounding it down. Just take a moment, once again, check in. Notice the mind, the body. We'll turn the palms face down, keep the arms straight. Inhale as you float the arms all the way up. Palms face the sky. Exhale, arms float down. Inhale, nice slow breath all the way up. At the end of your inhale, lift a little higher, raise the sky. Exhale, floats down. Inhale, arms stay straight, reach all the way up. Lift the sky at the end of your inhale. Exhale, float them down. Now we'll take a connecting breath. Deep breath in, sweep the arms up to the sky, palms meet. Exhale, bring it down to your heart. We'll bring the hands to the heart center. See if you can connect with the rhythm of your heartbeat as we'll begin the inner smile, smiling to our internal organs, offering them gratitude for working for us all day long. Now we'll begin rubbing the palms together, generating some heat. We'll put the palms right over our eyes, just letting the eyes completely relax. You can do some small circles. This is great if you're staring at a screen all day. We'll take one more connecting breath in, palms meet. Exhale down to your heart. Thank you for joining me. Yeah.